안녕하세요. 123 김치의 태연입니다. Hi, it's Taeyeon here at 123 Kimchi. Today we'll make another Korean summer favorite, Kong-guksu, aka soy milk noodle soup. This chilled noodle soup is a perfect dish to cool off in the summer. I'm going to show you a recipe that I've learned from my Halmoni that is way more easy peasy than what you'll find elsewhere. We're using putkong, which are unripe soybeans that are green and usually harvested in late summer in Korea. It's also called edamame, as most of you would recognize. My grandma always makes Kong-guksu using this recipe when we visit her in late summer. It's lighter, sweeter, but even prettier than the usual made with regular soybeans. First thing that makes this recipe so easy is that you can find these beans in the frozen section of your nearest supermarket. And second thing that makes this recipe so easy is that you don't even need to cook the beans since they're already cooked. We don't even need to defrost it, so just give them a quick shower. In a water kettle, bring a half cup of water to a boil. In a blender, combine the frozen beans and boiling water. The boiling water will thaw and soften the beans. Blend for about a minute until the beans are pureed. Add another half cup of water, but this time room temperature or cold water since we don't want the soup to be warm. Blend until smooth. Chill in the fridge until desired temperature. I like mine chilled, but not too cold, so I'll let it cool for half an hour. Looking for variations? Try adding some nuts like cashews, pine nuts, or sesame seeds into the blender with the beans. Or you can simply add some nut butter too. Today I think I like mine without, so I'll just move on without adding nuts. And for the topping, julienne the cucumbers, and half the cherry tomato. Now let's cook the noodles. I'll explain it in short, but if you need more details, please check out my video on strawberry gochujang noodles. Take your Korean someon noodles and put them in a pot with a plenty of boiling water and a pinch of salt. Keep boiling on high heat and don't forget to stir. When water boils again, pour a cup of water which will give noodles a bit more texture. Repeat this step if the water boils up high again. Cook until the time written on the package. Drain the noodles in a colander while the cold water is running. Rinse the noodles with hands under running water, which will wash off excess starch and foam on the surface of the noodles. Place the noodles in a bowl. Season the soup with salt and remember to season it right before serving because the soup tends to get more watery if it's seasoned in advance. Pour the soup and lastly garnish with cucumber and cherry tomato. Finally, time to eat. Stir and slurp. It's nutty, creamy, and also refreshing at the same time. It'll really blow your mind. And another bite with some 열무 kimchi, one of summer kimchi that goes so well with Kong-guksu. And did it blow your mind? Let us know in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching. 1, 2, 3, kimchi!